Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I will show you how to fix data on off problem in iPhone. So guys, if you are using iPhone or iPad or other iOS device and you have updated your device to iOS 18 and now you will see data network problem and your mobile data is turned off and turned on automatically. I will help you how can you fix this problem. So let's get started without wasting any time. So guys, first of all, open your settings in your iPhone. And guys, now you need to turn on your airplane mode for 3 to 4 times. And after this, you need to turn it off. And guys, now you need to check that your problem will be fixed. If still not fix your problem, no need to worry. Simply, you have to scroll it down. And here you can see the option of general. Click on it and scroll it down. And now you will see transfer or reset iPhone. Click on it and click on reset. And guys, now you need to reset your network settings. And after this, your problem will be fixed. If still not fix your problem by doing this method, then you need to check your VPN connection. If you have connected any VPN, you need to disconnect your VPN and now you need to go back. So guys, after this, scroll it down and now you need to connect Wi-Fi with your iPhone or iPad. And guys, after this, you need to check for software update and you need to update your iPhone to latest iOS version. And now guys, you need to go back on your home screen. And guys, after doing all these settings, if still not fix your problem, then no need to worry. You have to open your Apple Sport app in your iPhone or iPad. And guys, here you need to select your gadget and here you will see device performance. Click on it and guys, now you can see mobile service, and after this you need to wait for some seconds. Here is the option of skip for now. Click on it and now you need to wait. So guys, after this, here you will see the option of call. Click on it and guys, you need to contact with your Apple support team and you have to tell your problem and they will review your problem and they will fix your problem. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.